Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make types of sentences TLM. So let's start. Now this project is ready to explain. First let us understand how many types of sentences in English grammar. There are 4 types of sentences in English grammar. First one is interrogative sentence. It is an asking sentence. It ends with a question mark. For example, what did you eat for breakfast? Did he finish her homework? Then declarative sentence. It is a telling sentence. It ends with a period. For example, my favorite animal is a horse. They made a sandcastle. Then exclamatory sentence. It shows strong feelings. It ends with an exclamation mark. For example, we won the game. How honest they are. Then imperative sentence. It tells someone to do something. It ends with a period or an exclamation mark. For example, close the door. Put your jacket on. So these are the 4 types of sentences in English grammar. I hope you will like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Thanks for watching.